You see right there, I did. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you one of my favorite gospel piano technique, the secret chord walk to the 2 minor chord. So before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe. Make sure to click the like button so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's get started. So working in the key of C major today. So in terms of our major scale, we have C as a 1, D as a 2, E as a 3, F as a 4, G as a 5, A as a 6, B as a 7, and back again to the 1, right? Okay, so this movement sounds like this. One more time. Right, so without wasting our time, let's break it down. So I'm gonna explain in terms of number system, and also I'll try also to explain on how it looks like. Okay, so actually we're starting from, so right here, left hand side we have a 6, 2, 3. Right hand side we have 5, 7, and 3. Right? So the way I look at it, left hand side we're actually playing like 6 major sus 2. You see that? 6 major sus 2. While on right hand side, I look at it as I'm playing 1 major 7th in second inversion. So we have a root, first, second, right? So I'm just actually like taking out the C note, okay? We're actually taking out this note right here. So this is how I'm playing it, right? So the whole thing, and then we're doing, you see, it's very simple, right? It's very, very simple. Like that, okay? So this chord right here, left hand side, we're actually playing 6. We can call this one as a sharp 1 and 3, right? Right hand side we're playing 5, flat 7, and 3. You see that? So okay, so now let me tell you how I look at it so that you can actually visualize it, okay? Like you can actually like see how it looks like, okay? So left hand side, I look at it as I'm playing 6 major, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you create a major chord. And right hand side, I look at it as I'm playing 5 diminish drop 2, okay? So this is our 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you just have to create a diminish, right? Now we're going to drop the second highest note. This is going to be our second highest note. So we drop it here. You can see on left hand side we have it here, right? So you see that? And we're going to resolve to the 2 degree, which is our destination chord. So actually you can actually play any type of 2 chord. So in this case, this is the 2 type of chord that I'm playing. So let's just play from the top. You see? So let me just break it down. So we have 3, 4. Right hand side we have 5, 6, 1, and 4. So this is actually a 2 chord. So this is in the form of rootless voicing. I really like this chord, guys. So you can also actually apply it in your own playing. It's a very nice voicing. So, but you can actually resolve to any 2 type of chord. You can maybe do, you see that? You can do that. Alright guys, so let's try to use this simple movement in a song. So let's say we have this song that sounds like a you see right there I did. So that's how you can use it in a song. Okay, let's try this movement again. Like in the key of F sharp. So in terms of major scale we have so like in F sharp this movement can look like okay. So let's break it down again so they can maybe have a better understanding. So left hand side we have 6, 2, and 3. Right hand side we have 5, 7, and 3. Right? So as I said, you can actually look at it as a 6 major sus4, right, on left hand side. While on right hand side you can look at it as a 1 major 7 root, first inversion, second inversion. So you can look at it as the 1 major 7th in second inversion. But we're going to take out this note, right? We're just going to play like this. So both hands. So right here, so left hand side we have 6, 6, sharp 1 and 3. Right hand side we have 5, like flat 7 and 3. Okay, so to the destination chord. So right here we have left hand side we have like 3, 4 on the left hand side. Right hand side we have 5, 6, 1 and 4. You see that? The whole thing sound like. So as I said, you can actually play any type of 2 chord, right? Instead of doing, maybe you can play 2 chord like this. So if you know any type of 2 chord you can play, you can replace with any with that 2 chord. Okay, so like in context that might sound like so in context like in a song that might sound like Thank you guys for watching this video. If you find this video very helpful, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share for more piano lessons.